The prophecy that Hazrat Masih ﷺ gave about the coming of and advent of Muhammad ﷺ is very important to understand. Although the Christians have done their best to erase out of Bible the prophecies, and they have done as much as they could to erase those prophecies from the Bible. But still, there remain some prophecies in the Bible to this date, and we should understand them. First of all, I should mention the Evangelium Barnabe, the Injil of Barnabas, which was accepted as canonical gospel till the year 496 after Christ. It was recited, read. Till the year 496, it was one of the canonical gospels. In that year, Pope Gelasius, he declared it to be heretical. From that day they say, it is apocryphal, it is not correct, it's fake. But for 5 centuries they accepted it. And although the real text is not present, what was found from the Pope's library was an Italian translation of Evangelium Barnabe. But that Injil is very peculiar in this respect, that it clearly names the prophecy of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ with the names Ahmad, Muhammad, repeated many times. If you read that Injil, you will find what should be the logical result from these words of the Quran. That it seems that one of the main objects of the advent of Jesus was to prophesy about Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Inni Rasulullah ilaykum, and I have 2 aspects of my mission. Musaddiqan lima bayna yadayya min at-Tawrah wa mubashiran bi rasulin yati min ba'di ismuhu Ahmad. Just look to the words, how parallel they are. This is amongst the purposes of the advent of Jesus alayhi salatu wasalam, to prophesy and give the glad news that the final prophet, final messenger of Allah, and the fullest and the brightest manifestation of the institution of prophethood and the institution of messengerhood of Allah is coming. To give this glad news, وَمُبَشِّرًا بِرَسُولٍ يَأْتِي مِن بَعْدِهِ اسْمُهُ أَحْمَدُ.